Good morning children. Before we start our next class, let us revise what we have learned in our previous class. We have learned about the concept of 3R's. This is also known as waste hierarchy. Basically, this is the order of priority of action, or the order of priority of action to be taken to reduce the amount of waste generated. So by practicing these 3R's, we can reduce the amount of waste generated. So basically what happened, landfills and incineration, these are the two important methods to dispose waste material. They are not sufficient enough to accommodate all the garbage produced by the human society. So in order to lessen the burden on landfills and incineration, we should practice these 3R's. Of course, the 4R, that is the refusing, that is by refusing unnecessary items. So reduce, reuse and recycle are the concept of 3R's, and you can see this is the 4th R, refuse. It means that by refusing unnecessary items that you don't need anymore. Now coming to we have also learned about the two important methods to manage biodegradable or recyclable waste material, composting and vermiculture. So composting, basically it is the organic process, aerobic process, where there is a by the action of microorganism, the waste is degraded into the usable form, what we call the organic fertilizers or compost. In this method, we can use fallen leaves, vegetables, food waste, vegetable waste, grass, sewage, dead flowers and other methods. So this is also known as brown manure. Now coming, we have also learned about the advantages. Basically, this is the most important method to increase soil fertility, to increase the water holding capacity, and it also returns the minerals and nutrients back to the soil. And this method, the composting, is very effective method for managing biodegradable waste. Next, we have learned about the vermiculture. Basically, this is also the process of composting, but by the use of earthworms. And this process is a very scientific process of cultivating or culturing earthworms in a natural condition or the artificial condition. Now, a lot of advantages are associated with the vermiculture. The first and foremost advantage, it is a natural fertilizer, it is eco-friendly, and it is almost free from the chemical impacts. And it does not, vermiculture does not impact the environment, soil, plant adversely, that is negatively. It also improves the soil fertility, water holding capacity. It also returns the nutrients, micro as well as macronutrients, back to the soil, and it also improves the soil texture. It is a better nutrient absorption, and it also promotes root growth. Now, here are the few terms associated with this vermiculture or this practice of vermiculture. First is vermiculture, vermicomposting, vermicompost, vermicast and vermiculturist. And next we'll start our next topic,